Fills voids in cuticle to create smooth hair. Paraben-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free. Leave-in replenishing reconstructing treatment. Aids in preventing split ends, provides incredible shine. Ideal for all hair types. BioSilk Silk Therapy Original is a weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment that helps repair, smooth and protect all hair types. How to use. Shake well before use. Place a small amount of silk therapy in the palms and apply from the scalp to ends. May be used on wet or dry hair or skin. Use as often as necessary. Fills voids in cuticle to create smooth hair. Aids in preventing split ends. Provides incredible shine. BioSilk Silk Therapy Original is weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment that helps repair, smooth and protect all hair types. Top reviews from the United States. A must for people with curly hair. I've been using BioSilk for years. I've got long curly hair and this product helps so much with frizz, not to mention curl definition. I have noticed that I get tons of compliments on how good my hair smells, and it has to be the BioSilk because I've changed what mousses I use, but the silk drops are the constant. I apply to towel-dried hair and brush or comb it through to make sure there's even coverage throughout. Then I add mousse and scrunch and let air dry. It keeps my hair looking healthy and shiny without being greasy. Love this stuff.